So the next thing you want to do with your crystals after you've done your haul or shown off your pieces to your friends, your beautiful pieces, is to actually cleanse and charge your crystals. Gonna be using smoke cleanse because I think that is like the most comfortable and most natural way for me. That's what I feel I can do at this point. But some people use sound bowls. I actually have a sound bowl. It looks like this. It doesn't give you that vibration and that meditative sound. Meditative, is that a word? But it does give you that kind of vibe and that kind of sound, but I'm not so sure how to use it yet, so I won't be using my sound bowl to actually cleanse my crystals just now. I'm just gonna be using smoke from incense sticks to cleanse and charge my crystal. You can use the moon, you can use the darkness of the new moon to cleanse your crystals, and you can charge them with the light of the full moon. So we had a full moon on Friday, the worm moon, and it's called the worm moon because it is said that this is the moon that actually shows that the worm in the earthworms are warm and they're just spouting up so that birds can feed, and this is leading up to springtime. So yeah, if you're a farmer or you use the almanac, then you would actually know what these moons represent and what it does for spring. These names are so creative. I cannot keep up with these names, but yeah, that's the worm moon. Some people use water, but you have to read up about that because not all crystals can be cleansed with water. Some people use Reiki healing. I'm not a Reiki healer, so I do not know how to chakra ray anything away. So I'm not even gonna like touch those complicated ways of cleansing the crystals. I'm just gonna stick with smoke cleanse, and of course you can use salt, not regular table salt, but also like sea salt or Himalayan salt. You can just bury it in salt. Again, you have to research about that because not all crystals can be submerged in salt and be cleansed. You have to be careful. Some people use the earth. I do not have a garden, so I can't do that, but if you do, then yeah, by all means, and if you know how to do it, then go for it. Let's go cleanse some crystals, so follow me. This is my incense stick, and what I'm gonna do right now, because it is smoking, is hold my crystal above the smoke and visualize any negative energy being removed from the crystal or gemstone. As a beginner, you might ask the question like, what am I supposed to charge my crystals? What am I supposed to like cleanse them? You will definitely get a sense of when your crystals need to be charged. Most crystal gurus say that, you know, you can get a feeling, you will get the vibe, you will know when your crystals need to be charged. And when you get that kind of feeling and you have that kind of intuition, that's when you should go about and clean them or charge them, and everything should just work out really fine if you do that.